So today I am going to do a product review of this Secura grinder, coffee and spice grinder review. I just purchased this recently from Amazon, so if you're interested I will leave a link in the description box. It comes with two different balls, so let's see. So that's it. So it has this blender and this is, I think, a lid. So there's two different kinds of ball here, one for wet and one for dry chopping. So one for grinding and one for chopping, for dry ingredient and wet ingredients. So here it shows, it says grinder ball and chopper ball. So with the two blade is a grinder ball and then with the four is chopper. So this is chopper ball and they're not so big. This is how they are, and they look the same. And this is coffee grinder or any spice grinder, and this is the lid, plastic lid to cover it. Works for both. And then let's see. That's how it get. And then this is how, when you just press and it will start grinding. So we are going to use and see how fine we can grind. And now I'm going to try grinding this ginger into this chopping ball. So let's just add this here. Okay, just press in just few pulses. Let's check. And I grind my cumin powder, and as you can see, it's not completely powdery, but I didn't grind it for a long time, but it's fine enough to use it.